Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and this is all about today ultrasonic cleaners. The good, the bad, and the ugly. I'll be honest with you, I'm a novice, so let's dive in together and figure this out. Alright, so you guys have been telling me I'm missing the boat on the ultrasonic cleaner. Now, I know years ago, when I was affiliated with Stens, they came out with the first one, and it was like $1,200, $1,500, and the sales rep was trying to get me to buy it. Not a chance. Up until this point, we've used what they call gunk in a can. And it's got its own basket, and you just set the carburetor on it, drop it in, and then pull it out. The bad part about that is any rubber, gasket, all that material will get chewed up or eaten up if you don't take it off. What do I understand, if I'm understanding it correctly, is with the ultrasonic cleaner, that's no longer the case. And from what I've seen as far as the directions go and stuff like that, it says fill it up with warm water and then use that to clean your parts. But then looking at different videos, the biggest problem with that is your machine becomes gunk. I mean, dirty. So I think I know what Jason's talking about now, about taking a solution of whatever kind you want, putting the part in a Ziploc bag, and then dropping that into the water in your ultrasonic cleaner. See, they'll still come through the plastic bag. And there's different stuff that you can use. Some use Dawn dish soap, gasoline, degreaser. It's whatever you're working on. You want to keep in mind, if there's any rubber or gasket material, you don't want to get too heavy on the corrosiveness because it will eat that stuff up. So if you're just looking to get a good clean on it, sometimes just simply putting it in gas in a Ziploc bag or jar, or having a solution of Dawn dish soap, but dilute it down a little bit and put it into a bag with some water, warm water and Dawn, and then set your part into the cleaner. So let's go on with the unboxing. Stay tuned. Alright, so welcome back. I went to Harbor Freight yesterday, and with Jason's advice, instead of going with the 3-liter, I went with the 6. So let's see what we get. And this was $179 out the door. Well, not $179 out the door because you got pre-sales tax, right? So let's unbox this sucker. That worked a little better. Alright, so what do we get when we buy this? Alright, so they give us, got the power cord, and we got a basket. Now, I paid extra for this. This was like $8, and it says that it's the Ultrasonic General Purpose Cleaning Powder, and it says only use quarter teaspoon of cleaning, and then it says fill your tank up to here. pretty simplistic. It's got the on and off. You got the timer on this side, and then your heat range on this side. And you can set your temperature for what you want and the amount of time. And then it comes with a trusty drain on it, which you can take and thread a hose and get that away from you so that it goes somewhere else instead of just out for a second. So, from what I've been seeing, you know, you can use just about anything for a cleaner. Anything that will break down grease, grime, and anything else. And I would suggest, from what I've been seeing other people do, is not to simply use just dropping it into here. That use either a Ziploc bag, a jar, something that will keep the crap inside of that and not inside your cleaner. And on that note, we'll let you know how we turn out once we fire this baby up. Stay tuned.